Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up for the week ended 15th March 2024. This week served a reminder of the risks of equity investing as the small cap index was down 5% on a single day. Moving on to the key market news, the US CPI rose by 0.4% month-on-month compared to 0.3% in Jan 2024. On a year-on-year basis, CPI rose by 3.2% compared to an expectation of 3.1%. Retail sales in the US were up 0.6% month-on-month, slightly below market forecasts of a 0.8% gain. Together, the data reinforced expectations of first rate cut in the US in the June FOMC meeting. German CPI inflation rose by 2.5% year-on-year in Feb 2024, in line with estimates. Eurozone industrial production fell by 6% year-on-year in Jan 24 against an estimated fall of 2.9%, highlighting the growth struggles faced by the Eurozone area. Nifty witnessed a sharp correction and was down 2% for the week. The broader markets did even worse. The S&P BSE Small Cap Index was down 6% on fears of impact of SEBI and AMFI guidelines regarding stress tests and portfolio rebalancing. Most sectors ended in the red. The Nifty Realty was down 9.4%. The Nifty PSU Bank, the other high-flying index during calendar year 2023, was down 7.9%. Nifty IT was the only index to end in the green. In select market movers during the week, shares of Lind India rose by 15.3% on expectations that new semiconductor manufacturing facilities will increase revenues for the company. Solar Industries Limited was another big gainer as the shares rallied 18% after the company announced an export defense order of Rs 455 crores to be supplied over the next 2 years. China iron ore prices are down roughly 25% since January 1, 2024, and this dragged down shares of iron ore companies, with NMDC losing 17% during the week. Shares of Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy fell 16.3% despite the Shapuri Palanji Group denying reports that it is looking to sell its remaining stake in the company. In FII and DII activity this week, FIIs were net sellers to the extent of Rs 816 crores, whereas the DIIs were net purchasers of Rs 14,147 crores. The FII and DII activity was heavily influenced by two large block deals where BAT sold ITC shares worth close to 17,000 crores and Rakesh Gangwal, a promoter of Interglobe Aviation, sold shares worth 6,500 crores. US markets traded in a narrow zone and ended the week lower by 0.7%. In this section, we discuss select reports published by HDFC Securities research teams. You can access these reports on our website. Our institutional equities team came out with a report on Happiest Minds Technologies. The company announced a new vertical organization structure comprising of 6 industry groups. Our team believes that the new structure can accelerate its growth by 2 to 3% over the medium term. We retain an ad rating on the share with a target price of Rs 935 per share. Our retail research team came out with a report on Ahluwalia Contracts India Limited. The company is engaged in civil construction and execution of turnkey projects. The company received net order inflow of Rs 5,800 crores during the 9 months of FY24. Our base case fair value are Rs 1,254 per share. Our retail research team also came out with a note on Viatech Vabag Limited. The company provides customized water treatment solutions to industrial customers and government and municipal corporations. To establish 100 bio-CNG plants, the company has set an ambitious target of growing its top line to Rs 6,000 to 7,000 crores in 5 years. Our team has come up with a base case fair value of Rs 798 per share. That is all for this week. Do refer to the detailed disclaimer on your screens. Please note that the securities discussed in the presentation are for educational and information purposes only. Thank you.